Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Blockchain Explained. Today we're going to learn about how to deploy a basic math function on Solidity. So I'm going to use my Google Chrome for this, and I have my MetaMask installed and unlocked. So this is my MetaMask account and I got it connected to my testnet. So right now you can see I got 2.04 testnet ether, which you can use fork it to get some ether into your account. For time being, just gonna use the remix online compiler of Ethereum for Solidity. So when you open your remix Solidity ID, you just gonna get the very first basic contract that you can see here, which is balance.sol. So in order for you to, let me go take you through around what you can see here. So basically you can see on the left side you have compile, and you can just click on this start to compile, which compiles the code that you wrote in here in this, and then you can click on auto compile, which automatically compiles your code as and when you just make some changes inside it. And you have an option where you can run your code and you can deploy your code onto the blockchain. So here you can see you can connect your Ethereum to any of the three ways, like one injected web3 or web3 provider or Java VM. For this case, I'm just using injected web3 because I'm just injecting the web3 from my MetaMask, and it's kind of very straightforward and very simple procedure. So in the settings section you can actually choose the compiler in which you can code. uh, I recommend you guys to start with the basic contract so that you can easily and clearly understand what uh, about the smart contract and how it should be coded, and how you can deploy it. Right now we just switched the look from light version to the dark version of. Okay, so here you can see the analysis. You can run the analysis on your code, you can debug your code, and you can also ask for the support of. Basically on the left side, on the right side, you're just gonna get a plus symbol, on which if you click you can just rename, or you can name your contract and create a new contract. Or I think the dark version is quite dark, it's better for us to switch back to the light version. So in the right corner you can also find a browser where you can see the smart contracts that are present inside your current working repository. Okay, for now let's get started into creating our basic safe math, let's say safe math, or multi 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 dot solve. Let's say let's name it as multi dot solve. So now we will be writing our own contract. Let's say for time being we can write some multiplication on Solidity, let's say. So I'm gonna write my first line of code, pragma Solidity 0.4.24. This is a version of Solidity compiler that I want to use, and now I want to create a library named multi no mul. Let's say I have a function here, function multi. This function takes two variables, u into 56. So let's compile this code that we wrote right now. Okay, yeah, we did not. This typo error. Yeah. Let's compile it now. So we got our mul function. No, sorry, we got a mul library which we can deploy. So in order for you to deploy, you need to connect to your MetaMask, which we kind of have the connection with our injected Web3. Now, what we need to do is we need to just deploy this contract. Just click on deploy, and now we can adjust the fees, gas fee, in order to make our transaction a bit quicker. So let's save this and then confirm this transaction. And so you can see here creation of multi contract is just a library just pending. So let's click on here and you can see on Linktree the transaction is actually happening. We already got our transaction confirmed as per the MetaMask. Let's refresh and see whether it's got confirmed or not. It's kind of taking time. Yeah. So we had successfully deployed the contract and it got added to this particular block number. Let's go back and see what we got. So we can here clearly see the deployed contracts, and here we can see this is the deployed contract. Yeah, that's pretty much, guys. So this is how you can just basically code your uh, very first contract, and I'll leave you a link for the documentation of Solidity so you can go through it and get more detail on how to code on Solidity. Uh, yeah, if you like the video, just leave a like and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.